Maglagay tayo ng zipper, guys. This is my multi-purpose handbag. Look at this multi-purpose handbag. This is made from a tablecloth. This one, old tablecloth, and the handle is from my jeans. I cut the edge of the jeans and I attach here. Look, as a handle. Now I'm going to attach a zipper here. Okay, so I have two zipper. I will attach two zipper both side and the other one so that it will be sealed on the both side. Okay, and this is the handle. Okay, so this is a recycled cloth. I'm using this one as a shopping bag. So I'm going to zigzag, guys. Zigzag. This is a zigzag stitching. So we are going to put the zipper. So I already put the zipper, guys. Look. So this is it. Look. So we will attach on the other side. Look here. So kabit natin siya. So guys, this is now our zipper. So look, I will show you. So this is the left side, look. So ito na siya yung ating bag. Look at this. This is the zipper of our handbag. Look. So pang shopping bag lang to siya, guys. Oh, look. So this is our shopping bag. This is on the other side. And on the other side also, the same procedure. I'm going to attach this zipper here, okay? So it will start from here and it will be this one here, okay? So this is a recycled cloth, and now I transform it into a shopping bag. Look at here, this is a shopping bag. So this will be like this. Look at here. So ganyan siya. So tama lang siya dyan. So this will be, look, until below my hips. This shopping bag, look at this, okay? Mahaba siya. Okay, so this is now that. Now I will just show you the other side only, and the next side is the same procedure with the other, okay? Look, ganyan lang siya. Ito naman siya, hindi siya tapat mismo, naka-slide siya, and the other side also is also not the same. I just put it in another side para balance siya, okay? It will be like this, and this one I'm going to attach here, okay? So guys, I hope you like this recycled shopping bag. So you can do many things out of your waste cloth, and you can recycle it as a shopping bag or a multi-purpose bag. This is good because we can use this one, and after using, we can wash it. This is a washable, okay? So I hope you get an idea how to reuse your old cloth by transforming into a handbag, okay? This is it. Thank you for watching. I will show you next time my other project, okay? This is for now. Look, this is my washable cloth or washable shopping bag, okay? Bye bye, and thank you for watching.